Okay, let's get started. Let's create a monster sticker. I got a lighthouse right here. I'm gonna put monster. There's a ton of different art styles. I'm gonna keep it with watercolor, why not? And I'm gonna click generate. And it's gonna generate that monster sticker with an outline that I can sell on sites. Oh, there we go, watercolor. That I can sell on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, and so forth. Let's add that to the gallery. I like that one. Let's do another one. Let's go with not. I want to keep monster, but now I want to go with pixel art monster. You know, like that video game look. Let's click generate. Let's see what happens now. Let's go and come on. Let's get that pixel art going. Boom! Pixel art monster sticker. Beautiful. Now, if you want access to this, just go ahead, get it down below, go to this site right here. Let me put that in for you. Enter the crisp, get that in, and put your name and email, and you can get access to this. Okay, be good, take care, have a great day. Ciao.